Hey guys, this right here is a 2022 Kia EV6. It's an exciting new car in today's EV market. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you an easy way to add a safety feature on your new car. Lego. Let's unlock the car and get ourselves situated. This is going to be a quick and easy installation and doesn't require the use of any special tools. The first thing we're going to do here is simply tilt the mirror down to get a better access to the plastic shroud. I'm going to stick my finger right in there and pull down on this piece. It doesn't take a lot of force, so be gentle when pulling down. Here's a close-up of the tabs that keep it in place. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the bigger panel. Now this part you might choose not to do, but I think it gives me a lot more room to work with. Once I've gotten that off, I'm going to go ahead and remove the 10-pin connector here. Time to install the Dongar Technologies dashcam adapter. I'm just going to plug this guy into here and the Dongar adapter into the connector port. Then I'm going to turn the vehicle on to see if I'm receiving power. If there's a blue light, we're good. Now let me attach the USB cable and see if my dash cam is receiving power. Nice. Okay, now that I know we're good on power, I'll move forward with reinstalling the panels and figure out how I want to route the cables. There are two spots I'm really thinking about for attaching the dash cam, one directly below or sticking it up here next to the right side of the plastic shroud. This is going to be a preference thing, so pick a spot that's good with visibility that you're comfortable with. And finally, here's some footage of what it looks like when working. And just like that, we're done. It's a safety solution that's easy and a must these days. So if you've been considering getting a dash cam, take a hard look at these Garmin units as well as Dongar Technologies, which make these awesome dash cam adapters. And of course, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content like this. Peace.